guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I have something amazing going on for you guys. As you can see, this look right here, I will be creating this look. This is a very colorful, glittery look, and I'm so in love with this. So if you want to know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And also all the products will be linked down below in the description box that I've used in this video, so you can just check them out as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead and check out my channel and subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. So let's get started. So first things first, as you can see, I have nothing on my face. My face is completely bare, so I'm gonna start off first of all with brows. I'm just gonna quickly do my brows like this. And now I'm gonna straight move to the eye makeup. For that, I'm taking the Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette and starting off with this burgundy shade right here, and I'm gonna just pat it off all over my eyelid, and I'm gonna just create a D on my eyelid and just gonna pack off the color. So I wasn't thinking of this look anyhow. I just sit for filming and I thought that what should I do, and I just came up with this. So I'm just gonna pack this color off, and then I'm gonna take a little bright pink color right here and just gonna buff it into my crease and mix up with the shade that I've used on my eyelid. The color variation that I'm taking is so close to each other that you can hardly see any difference in them, but it does make a like a definition of colors in real. Now I'm taking this light pink shade and just gonna go onto the transition of mine, and I'm gonna just take the color out and gonna go very roughly with it because I want this look to be really a little rough and messy up. So I'm just gonna take on the outer brows of mine as well. Just gonna mix it and blend this color all over my eyelid. I have missed you guys a lot because it has been quite a long time that I haven't done any video, uploaded any one since it has been 10 days. But I hope that I will be doing the continue. I will be back to business. Now I'm taking this shimmer shade right here from the Morphe 35M Boss Mode palette, and with the help of my fingers I'm just gonna pat this color out. If you want the best pigmentation from loose glitters or shimmer colors, you just have to use your fingers so that your fingers picks up the best pigment for the shimmer colors. And now I'm taking some loose glitter, and with the help of a brush I'm just start patting it, although it does not work for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna apply some lash glue, glitter glue, so that this loose pigment sticks on my eyes really beautifully, and I'm gonna do that in the next moment. And you can see the difference now that how beautifully the glitter is actually packing onto my lid. That's how I actually want the glitter to be. And just gonna, with the help of a brush, I'm just adjusting some corners. And now finally moving towards my base. First of all, I'm priming up my skin with Nykaa primer, using it on the centers of my face and spreading it up so that the canvas is set for the foundation, which is coming at the very next. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Superstay foundation and just gonna apply it with the help of my finger. I like to first warm up the product onto the back of my hands, and then I start using the product, and just gonna quickly blend it up. So this look comes really on the natural side. I wasn't thinking anything. I just turn on my camera and just start filming, and I don't even know what I was doing. I was just playing around with some colors, and this look just came into my mind, and I just went forward, and I'm so in love with this. And yeah, I really love this look. Guys, if you want some more entertaining stuff, then you can also follow me on Instagram as well. You will find the link into my description box. For concealer, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer right here, using it on the inner corners of my eyes, on the outer corners, and on all the usual areas that I like to apply it. center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on the chin area, around my mouth as well. And I hope you all guys have a really safe and nice Diwali, and the festive season was really fun for you. And do let me know in the comment section below how are you doing all these days. And I was getting DMs on Instagram that why are you not uploading some tutorials or something. So guys, it was just some phase that comes to everybody's life that I wasn't feeling that productiveness in me that I used to do, and I just upload this video every single day. It just happens, and I was just going through some kind of low productiveness inside me. But now I will try my best to come into that pace that I was in earlier, and I will keep on uploading the videos and just make you entertained with all the stuff that I have for you guys, and a lot of more interesting videos coming to your way. And now I'm just gonna use bronzer. I'm taking the same palette and using this shade right here, and just gonna start bronzing up my face. You can do your bronzer with eyeshadow if you have a color for that. You can use, you don't have to invest in a different product for that. One big eyeshadow palette can do a lot for you. So yes, and I also want this to be on the jawline, so to add some chiseledness. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set up my face, and I'm in the shade 15 light, and I'm just gonna press down the powder. I'm not gonna keep the powder for so long because in winters my skin just start getting dry too much. But if you have an oily skin type, you can keep the powder for a while and then dust it off. But I have a dry skin type, so I'm not gonna keep that powder for long, and I'm just gonna buff it out on the spot. Now for contour, I'm taking the Colorbar Flawless Touch Contour and Highlighter palette. I only use the contour side because I personally don't like the glitter or like the highlighter part of it, but I really love the contour, and I use it very slightly because it's super pigmented and a very cool tone. And yes, so I just use it with a very light hand of mine. Also a little bit on the forehead area, and whatever is remaining on the brush, I will just use it on my nose. I do not take any extra product for the nose because it's, as I've told you, that it's a very pigmented product, so you don't need much of a product, and a little goes a long way for you. So yes. And now for blush, I will be taking a Lakme lipstick, the Prime and Matte lipstick, and this is the shade Rosy Sunday. I'm so impressed with the idea of using lipsticks as blush, and they come off a really natural look. So you can use any pink or coral shade lipstick to use your blush. Now for lower lash line, I'm taking the palette again and taking this bright green with a hint of blue and start just filling into my waterlines. And I don't know, but I just want to do something colorful. The upper eyes to be something else and the lower lash are different, and this combination goes very nicely, so I really like this one. Now for the eyeliner, for the kajal, I'm taking the gel liner. With the help of a thin brush, I'm using the back side of that and dipping into my gel liner and applying it onto the lash line of mine. If you have sensitive eyes, you can use this technique so that your eyes cannot water. And yes, instead of using a brush for gel liner, you can use the back side of your brush. Now for mascara, I'm taking the Maybelline and Faces mascara. First I'm going with the Maybelline Alice Bliss Olivia mascara. This was, I guess, the limited edition one, but it's a really good mascara. It does curl up your length, which is a nice thing for a mascara to do. And I just apply one coat of this. And now I'm gonna go with the Faces one. I love this mascara for a reason, and I'm gonna tell you this reason in a while. I just like to go with this mascara on the lashes, and now I'm gonna go with the lower lash line. So this mascara works best for the lower lash line of mine. It does the job for me. It really opens up your lower lash lines and makes your eyes look a little bigger. So that's why I'm a fan of this mascara So if you are looking for a mascara and if you have very thin and less lashes, this is gonna work for you. For lips, I'm taking the MAC lip liner in the shade World and start lining up my lips. So here's a fact that I cannot do my lipstick without using a lip liner. I don't know how people do it, but I just cannot do. I like to fill my lips first with a lip liner and then I apply my lipstick, because I just cannot apply the lipstick and it doesn't look good on me. So that's why I cannot do a lipstick without a lip liner. And now for lipstick, I'm taking the creamy matte shade in the shade Clay Crush, and I just like to apply this lipstick a little bit on the lips, and with the help of my finger I just like to smudge it up just to spread the color all over. And now I'm taking the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick Duo in the shade Gulabi and just gonna apply it over it, and with the help of my finger I like to just go on everywhere on the lips, because it's super pigmented and it's so good, and it's very good for the Indian skin tone. So I like to apply it, and I'm just gonna go and complete the look with some lashes and just gonna do my hair and come back in a while. And this is the final look that I've came up with. And guys, if you like this look, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And do let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section below, and do let me know how you like this look. Till then, bye bye, take care, I love you all.